40 years ago, inside the walls of St. Teresa's Academy, we were children with big dreams, loud laughter, and hearts full of hope. We walked these halls not knowing that the friendships we made, the lessons we learned, and the memories we created would stay with us for a lifetime. Batch 1985. Today, we look back not just at the years that have passed, but at the journey that has shaped who we are. For decades later, we return to where it all began, bringing with us our stories, our triumphs, our struggles, and the same spirit that connected us long ago.
When they're shining on my life, I can see a better.
This reunion is more than a celebration. It is a homecoming, a reminder that no matter where life has taken us, we will always be one family bound by laughter, gratitude, and the legacy of St. Teresa's Academy. We were exposed at an early age to numerous activities that honed our skills, shaped our character, and taught us the value of teamwork, discipline, and creativity. Whether it was school programs, club projects, contests, or community events, each experience helped us grow with confidence and discover strengths we didn't even know we had. Those early exposures didn't just keep us busy, they molded us into the resilient, capable, and well-rounded individuals we are today. Before we take a trip back to the classrooms, corridors, and canteen lines of our youth, let's remember the moments that made our time in St. Teresa's Academy truly unforgettable. We were exposed at an early age to countless activities that shaped our confidence, strengthened our friendships, and molded us into who we are today. And now, 40 years later, we come together to celebrate not just the past but the people who made those years meaningful. So sit back, smile, laugh, and maybe even get a little emotional as we share the fondest memories and heartfelt messages of our beloved Batch 85. So let the reunion of stories, laughter, and nostalgia begin.
Richie Coronel po from Florida. Ang naalala ko nung elementary natin ay yung pagganap ko ng lead character sa Manok at Lawin with Christina Broal. Anyway, happy 40th anniversary to all of us. Bye!
Hi everyone! Ako yung kabatchmate nyo na si Marie Grace Mercado. Tapos, ang hindi ko makakalimutan nung elementary days natin ay yung lagi naming pagpunta ni Melody Mandokdok, hi babe, sa bahay or yung tinitirahan ng mga madre. Yung foreigner nating madre na teacher natin sa religion. Tuwing lunch, pupunta kami ni Melody doon. Kakatok kami sa tirahan ng madre para manghingi lang ng mineral, ng water, cold water. Hanggang sa nasanay na ang madre na pagkatok namin, alam na nila, nabibigyan kami ng tubig. Every time na humihingi kami ng water, ang feeling ko, ang saya-saya ko kasi feeling ko blessed kami ni Mel, ni Faith. Yun yung fondest memory ko. Batchmates, it's wonderful to be together again. Let's celebrate the memories we made and the friendship we forged. And look forward to the exciting chapters still to be written in our lives. So let's enjoy reconnecting, remembering the good times we shared. I love you, batchmates. God bless us all.
Hello everyone, warm greetings to our batchmates and teachers. Yep, 40 unforgettable years. These milestones is not only about the time, it's about memories and lessons we learned and friendship that who stayed with us throughout this journey, right? To our teachers, thank you for shaping us with guidance, patience, and wisdom. Ang pinaka-favorite ko siguro nung elementary, yung pakakantahin ako ni Ka Rogers speaker, like early in the morning before the rosary starts. Yun. Tapos, pagkain ng mangga, like right after lunch, we go to Kaseni. Tapos, pag nakita naman niya ako, bibigyan niya ako ng extra strip of mango. Parang, I feel special naman. And during this, our reunion, I still remember yung mga old friendship na syempre wala na dito, na nasa heaven na. Of course, we're still thinking of them and sana in spirit, you know, we miss them. We still love them, you know. And yun lang. And batchmates, let's enjoy and continue to doing memories and let's just have fun. Enjoy. Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat.
Hello! Isang pagbati po sa inyo mula sa akin, si Andrea dito sa US, at Leilani Panaligan sa Sweden. Belated and advance happy birthday, happy new year, happy anniversary, and Merry Christmas sa bawat isa. Kulang po ang 30 seconds to reminisce all the good times, but we do miss you all at mahal po namin kayo and hope to see you all again someday.
Hi mga classmates! Congratulations on our 40th anniversary. Sana maka-attend rin ako kahit isang beses lang. And of course, thank you sa mga organizers. And enjoy your day. Happy holidays. And sana magpangita sa, you know, in the future. So anyway, happy anniversary again. Bye!
Hi everyone! I'm Maria Lourdes Bifidor Ilagan from Pine Green. Ang isa sa naalala ko yung pagluluto namin mga girls sa HE room, yung katabi ng kantin na kung saan nagtitinda si Kapila at saka si Kaed na naman ay may tindang hotcake na kulay dilaw. So dear batchmates, let's choose kindness and happiness at sana'y marami pa tayong reunion na pagsasama-samahan, kaya enjoy natin ang buhay at mag-iingat tayo palagi.
First of all, I would like to greet each and every one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to my favorite school batch, our grade school 1985. Marami akong nakilalang friends at saka syempre dito nag-start yung aming blooming friendship ni BFF Mel Grace na nag-start pa since kindergarten kami. Bale, since hindi ko siya classmate nung grade 4 and grade 5 kasi wala tayong section noon. Siyempre, pag may section, lagi ko siyang classmate. Pero, since hindi ko nga siya nakaklase, kahit hindi ko siya nakaklase, hindi nawala yung aming good friendship sa isa't isa na nag-last until now, and especially and hopefully forever. Ang hindi ko makakalimutan na sa during our grade school is nung grade 4 na nag-join ako sa the LEAF. Nagkaroon ng field trip noon. Bali, kami lang dalawa ni Christina Bruway yung nakasama sa grade 4 at mostly ang kasama doon is our grade 5 and 6. Hindi ko malilimutan yon kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga yung pagsusulat ng mga essay and poems. At doon sa field trip na yon, marami kaming natutunan ni Christina. Kasi pinuntahan namin doon yung mga publishing companies, publish ng iba't ibang literary works like yung mga newspaper, mga books. Tapos lalo ako nainganyo na magsulat kasi nakita ko kung gaano kaganda yung pagsusulat at yun ang pinaka-memorable ko. Although marami naman akong memorable experiences during our grade school time, yun yung masasabi ko na fondest memory ko. Thank you!
Hi batchmate 8589. Kumusta sa inyo lahat dyan? And enjoy lang ang ating party. Sana next time magkita-kita tayo muli at sana'y malalakas pa ang ating katawan. Ang hindi ko makakalimutan na alaala sa aking pagpasok sa STA ay nung unang araw na ako'y pumasok sa STA nung kindergarten under Miss Cordero.
Hello po, ako po si Rizal Evreo Abad from St. Elizabeth. Ang masasabi ko po sa Batch 85, be strong and good health.
Hi, I'm Esperanza Reyes Gonsalvo, former grade 6 C Green. My message to Batch 85 is thank you for staying connected and reunited. And Merry Christmas to all of you.
Hello, batchmates from STA Grade School, Batch 85. Ito po ay si Ana Bertha, pero ngayon I'm called as Badge na. Una, maraming salamat for the organizers. Alam ko, year in and year out, these same people are actually taking on the responsibility of bringing together everyone to celebrate a yearly get-together. But this year is much, much more special. Let us be real, no? When we graduated from STA Grade School, yung 40 years felt like something that would never happen to us. And yet, here we are. So we officially survived the 4 decades since hindi na natin isinuot yung ating blue and white uniform, at least for the girls, no? And if this is not a call for a celebration, I don't know what it is. And I was also asked to share some fondest memories. Well, ang fondest memories ko, maraming fond memories kasi. One would be nung medyo bata pa is during Christmas seasons when we are asked to bring our toys, maglalaro. Alala ko grade 2, pinagdala kami ni Miss Manggiyat ng mga laruan na i-share mo, no, maglalaroan nyo together. And we were a little bit older, nung grade 6. Fond memory ko yung pag merong teachers meeting, ay ang nagte-take care ng mga classes of the lower grades are ang mga grade 6. Alam ko ang assignment ko noon is either kinder, yung kay Miss Cordero, o kaya grade 1 ni Mrs. Alejandre na class. And of course, yung mga scouting, yung pagpunta natin sa Kalayaan Heights, sa akin fun memories. But marami, like kwentuhan sa Lepili na makakagat ka ng higad, tapos dadalhin ka sa clinic, papahiran ka ng puting gamot, or pupunta ka sa library, pero bawal maingay kasi magagalit si Miss Capuno. And yung recess, favorite ko yung yung macaroni na red na tinutusok-tusok ng barbecue stick. Favorite ko din yung Miqueron, at saka yung hindi ko maalala yung pangalan ng tinapay na hinahati sa gitna kasi hindi mo kaya ubusin, so kakainin mo siya sa hapon ng recess. There are a lot of memories. Naalala ko din yung maglilinis ako ng aquarium doon sa nung grade 6. Tapos 3 oras namin yung gagawin ni Christy, yun si Christina, kasi ayaw namin umattend ng class. So maraming alaala. But I think ang isang hindi ko rin makakalimutan would be yung play natin na unang Pasko when I was the narrator or the storyteller of that play. And I think yun yung nag-encourage to be really interested sa musicals ngayong tumanda na ako. I practically watch all musicals ngayon kasi siguro may influence din yun ng bata. So yun, I'm very, very happy to be sharing just a very quick message to all of you. Alam ko na occasionally tayo ngayon would need eyeglasses para makabasa ng mga group chats, o baka ang mga ibang tuhod habang naglalakad o umaakit ng hagdanan medyo masakit na or medyo tumutunog-tunog na. But I guess the spirit and the wit are still perfectly intact. So maraming salamat for all those who attended, most especially for those who painstakingly tried to bring everyone together. Maswerte tayo that there are people who are taking the lead on this. So again, to the batch 85 of STA Grade School, cheers to 40 years natin. May our laughters be louder and our memories be fonder. So happy 40th batchmates. I hope to see you all. Thank you.
Good evening, dear classmates and friends. I'm truly feeling happy to be with you today as we celebrate a milestones that few get experience. Our 40 years class reunion. 40 years ago, we shared classrooms, laughters, and dreams for the future. Today, we came together not only to look back on those unforgettable days, but also to celebrate the incredible journeys each of us has taken since then. As we reflect on the past, let's remember the friendship that shaped us, the lessons that guided us, and the moments that made those years so special. Time might have changed. Our faces added wisdom to our lives, but the spirit that brought us together remains the same. This reunion is a proof that the bonds we formed decades ago are still meaningful and strong. Today is about reckoning, sharing stories, and honoring the paths we've walked. Let's take this chance to laugh, reminiscence, and create new memories that will carry forward. Thank you for being here and making these occasions truly special. Welcome back, classmates. Let's celebrate not just the past, but the lifelong friendship that continued to unite us.
Ang hindi ko malilimutan nung elementary, di tayo may kubeta doon, yung malayo, nasa may Taiwan sa gilid. Ay ako'y tain-tain na. Nilaksan ko ang loob ko, ako lang mag-isa. Ay nung ako'y pagkatapos mata talagang ako'y kinakabahan. Ayun, ako'y umalis, tatakbo. Ay ako'y natakig, nadapa ako. Hindi ko yun makakalimutan. Pag naalala ko ngayon, ako'y natatawa na lang. Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat at manigong bagong taon. Maiksi lang ang buhay, kaya dapat tayong maging masaya palagi. Ano man ang pinagdadaanan. Bye!
To my dear classmates and batchmates, we've come this far. 40 years, and to be exact, since kindergarten, it's been 47 years of solid memories of our childhood, which can never be taken away from us through times. Let us reminisce yung mga tawanan, iyakan, and very sure meron tayo nun. Galit-bate or datampuhan moments, mga laro at takbuhan sa Taiwan, pati sa patio ng simbahan kapag labasan na, mga tests at visitation, mga projects, field trips, at ang hindi ko malimutang panonood ng sine sa Edna showing Mang Kepweng at Superman na nilalakad lang natin from school hanggang sinehan habang tayo ay mga nakapila. Pasensya na medyo nahirapan na magbalik tanaw. Basta ang naalala ko lang ay naging masaya at memorable ang aking pagstay sa STA or STC now, at sana kayong lahat din. At this time, I'm truly grateful sa ating alma mater, sa ating mga teachers, at sa inyo mga kaeskwela na naghubog ng aking kamalayan na may pagmamalaki ko, the intellectual, spiritual, and most especially the social abilities na na-enhance ko na through the years. Happy 40 years anniversary sa ating lahat. Stay in touch mga kabatchmates. Maraming salamat.
Nung elementary ako, naghahakot lang ako ng buhangin sa ilog. Ngayon, naghahakot na ako ng pera.
Hello classmate! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Jocelyn Perez Quaresma. Dito ako nagtatrabaho sa Manila Doctors Hospital as Medical Secretary. Enjoy life! And Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. God bless us all.
Ako nga pala si Emiliano Panopio. Bumabati sa inyo ng Happy 40th Anniversary sa class 1985, at ganoon din po sa ating mga guro na hanggang ngayon ay nandyan at sumusuporta, at inaangkop ko na rin ang pagkakataong ito upang patingin kayo ng maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. Mabuhay tayong lahat and God bless you all.
Hello batchmates, magandang hapon. Ang fondest memory ko po nung elementary ay nung magkaroon ng Boy Scout camping sa may bolo yata yun, ng ilang araw din yon, hindi ko makakalimutan yon. At ang isa pa ay nung elementary ay dyan ako nagsimulang magkaroon ng crush
So dalawa yung fondest memories ko nung elementary. At ang message ko lang sa mga kabatchmates ay mag-enjoy kayo. Pasensya na at hindi ako makakarating. Enjoy nyo lang. And dun sa mga organizers, maraming salamat at nagkakaroon tayo ng mga ganitong pagtitipon para kahit paano nagkakaroon ng ugnayan at kamustahan yung mga magkakasama. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at enjoy nyo lang yung party na to. Salamat sa inyo.
Hi, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is Mary Lisa Rosales of Pine Green. My fondest memory during my elementary days in STA is, I think, the intramurals. Masaya yun, di ba? At saka, nakilala ko kayong lahat. May God continue to bless us with good health and all the best.
Behind every confident learner is a teacher who believed, guided, and inspired. Today, we are honored to hear meaningful messages from our dear Grade 6 class advisors. Educators who have walked closely with us, nurtured our growth, and prepared us for the journey ahead. Let us listen as they share words of encouragement, pride, and hope for our batch.
Hello everyone! It's so good to see you all again. Bago ang lahat, nais ko muna kayong batiin Elementary Batch 1985 ng Happy 40th Anniversary. Sana marami pang anniversary sa inyo celebrate na kayo ay magkakasama. Ako nga pala si Teacher Ethel de Guzman, ang advisor ng Grade 6 Sigri noong 1985. At my age today, 73 years old na ako, matanda na at malilimutin pa. Kaya, medyo ako nahihirapang mag-recall ng mga nangyari ng panahon iyon. Pero, basta ang alam ko, I'm so happy and contented as your advisor during that time because you are all so good and kind to me. At saka ako'y natutuwa din na most of you are very successful and famous sa career na pinili ninyo. I love you all and God bless you. Merry Christmas in advance.
Today is truly special as we gather to celebrate friendship, memories, and shared journeys with our beloved elementary class 85 and high school class 89. After all these years, it's wonderful to see familiar faces, reconnect with old friends, and create new memories together. Thank you all for taking the time to be here and for being part of this meaningful celebration.
Everybody is in need, give it up. Come on, baby, I need your love. Can I touch you? Can I love you? Come on, baby, baby, I love you. Can you give it up? Come on, baby, give me your love. Don't you know I want your love? I had a bad habit of missing lovers past. My brother used to call it eating out of the trash. It's never gonna last. I thought my house was haunted. I used to live with ghosts and all the perfect couples said when you know, and when you don't, you don't. And all of the foes and all of the friends have seen it before, they'll see it again. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. I was wrong, but my mama told me it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning. couldn't understand it, why you felt alone. You were in it for real. She was in her phone and you were just a pose. And don't we try to love, love, we give it all we got. We finally left the table, and what a simple thought. You're starving till you're not. And all of the foes and all of the friends messed up before, they'll mess up again. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. You move on. And that's when I told you it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes, sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is all my light. Oh, 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 oh my Lord. Never met no one like you before. You had to make your own sunshine, and now the sky is all my light.
Ang tanong ko kung sino ang pinakabatang na-divergenize. Ang unang sagot ay 28, napakaedad na. Sabi na rin siya daw ay 52. Sagot 18.